Ever feel like your bank account catches colds every time life sneezes? If your emergency fund is currently, well, non-existent, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to build an emergency fund from zero, step by step, even if your wallet currently echoes when opened. Let's be real, life throws curveballs. Unexpected medical bills, job loss, your car suddenly deciding it's done with life. These things happen. A good emergency fund is like a financial airbag. Most experts recommend 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. But hey, if that sounds impossible right now, just focus on your first $500. That alone can help you avoid going into debt when life gets spicy. Before saving anything, you need to figure out how much you actually need. Make a quick list of your essential monthly expenses: rent, groceries, utilities, and minimum loan payments. Let's say your essentials are $2,000 per month. Aim for a $6,000 emergency fund eventually. But remember, you're building this brick by brick, not all at once. Start with a mini goal, $500, $1,000, then build up. Keep your emergency fund away from your main account. Out of sight, out of spend. Open a high-yield savings account. These give you better interest. Think 4 or 5% in 2025, and help your money grow a little while it sits there behaving itself. U.S. options: Ally, SoFi, Marcus by Goldman Sachs; Canada, EQ Bank, Tangerine; Global, check digital banks or fintechs like Wise or Revolut. Bonus tip: nickname your account something fun like Break Glass Only or Sushi Emergency Only Fund. Set it and forget it. Even $10, $20 a week adds up over time. Automate a transfer from your checking to savings every payday, like a sneaky financial ninja move. Pro tip: got a side hustle? Direct a percentage straight into your emergency fund. No side hustle? No problem. We'll talk side hustles in another video. Got a tax refund, bonus, birthday cash from grandma? Don't blow it on gadgets or oat milk lattes. Use windfalls to boost your emergency fund. Even decluttering helps. Sell that dusty treadmill or old game console. It's not just junk, it's emergency fund fuel. Your emergency fund is for emergencies, not concert tickets, not Black Friday deals, not emotional support shopping. Real emergencies equal car repairs, medical bills, job loss, etc. Build the habit of protecting that fund like it's your grandma's secret cookie recipe. Remember, building an emergency fund from $0 is about consistency, not perfection. Even if it takes months, you're building financial confidence. You've got this. Now tell me, how much do you plan to start with? Comment below. And hey, if you learned something or just laughed once, give this video a like and hit subscribe for more real-life financial glow-ups.